Hello, you are welcome. So that you can solve this maths problem, we have 28 divided by 4 into bracket 3 plus 4. So this problem we are going to solving by using this term here. We are going to solving by using BODMAS. So B stands for bracket, so we are going to start with the bracket. So we are going to add 3 plus 4 is 7. So we shall write 7, then we put it into bracket, this 4, then divide by 28. Then still again we have the bracket inside here, so we are going to multiply 4 by 7 with the number inside the bracket, and 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. So we shall have 28, we divide by this 28 here again, so we shall put this 28. So now the next one is, now there is no of here, so then the next one is division. So we shall now divide, and when you take 28 divided by 28, our answer shall be 1. Thank you.